Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are coming in a big way, but they're not quite here yet. So what if you want to get cash without selling your crypto? That's where Salt comes in. Think of Salt as a traditional lender with a twist, a rather big twist. Loans at Salt are secured entirely by cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and Dash. To get a loan, simply decide on how much money you want to borrow. Customize your loan request and deposit collateral all from within the platform. No income checks, no credit checks, and no origination fees. Assets are locked in deep cold storage with private keys that have never been exposed to a network-connected device and are protected by robust multi-signature processes. Your assets are never commingled with those owned by other customers, are never rehypothecated, and are comprehensively insured. As cryptocurrencies are volatile, we track the prices of assets 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. If there's a meaningful price drop, our real-time monitoring and alert system ensures that you're notified immediately via phone calls, texts, and emails, so you can manage your loan by making a one-time payment, by depositing more collateral, or by opting to have your collateral sold on the open market. You can pay back your loan using cash or stable coins, whichever you prefer. At Salt, you can pay back as much as you want whenever you want and wrap up your loan at any time because there's no prepayment penalty. Once you've paid back your loan, you'll have full access to your assets again. Keep your crypto. Get cash. Sign up for an account at saltlending.com today to start exploring your options.
Welcome to the world of Encrypto. You have already appraised the advantages inherent in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. However, ensuring the safety and security of your assets at exchanges and online wallets is still an open challenge. Encrypto provides a solution that protects the wallets of cryptocurrency owners from hackers and blocking. This solution is called InSafe. It is a device for the stationary storage of cryptocurrencies. With InSafe, you can receive and transfer digital money offline. In addition, your assets will always be with you. Encrypto provides the maximum services available through a single registration. Connect InSafe to your personal account. The system displays your account balance and opens up possibilities for managing the accounts. Select the currency and transaction. Withdraw money in any way convenient to you. Cold storage of assets ensures complete safety. The same principle applies to all the crypto financial services. Cryptocurrency exchange with a professional toolkit for traders and investors. Decentralized cryptocurrency trading platform for goods and services. All transactions with fiat currencies are carried through our own Encrypto bank, which ensures faster speed and anonymity. Encrypto, the payment infrastructure of the future.
Would you like to have a similar video? Visit our website for more information.
Cryptocurrencies are a digital form of money. Like money, they enable people or companies to transact, do business, or make trades with one another. Just like there are many different types of money like the dollar, euro, or yen, there are many different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created, and it's the most well-known. It was created in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, but no one knows who Satoshi is, or even if Satoshi is one person or an entire group of people. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies differ from traditional money in a few important ways. First, cryptocurrencies are completely digital. There are no Bitcoin bills or coins like with traditional money. With cryptocurrencies, all transactions are recorded digitally on a blockchain. We'll explain how here in a moment. Second, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means no single person, company, or government creates or manages it. Traditional money requires a central group, like a bank or government, to manage the amount of money in the world and keep track of every transaction to make sure everyone is telling the truth. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies don't need a central group because they use blockchain technology. A blockchain is like a shared record book that keeps track of every single transaction that takes place. That record book can't be changed and is constantly reviewed by a network of computers all over the world. Having this peer-to-peer network validate every transaction creates trust, so no single central group is required. Third, cryptocurrencies are 24/7. The internet doesn't have working hours or days that it needs to be closed, so crypto is a lot faster and more flexible than traditional money. Isn't the internet cool? Finally, cryptocurrencies are secure and transparent. Remember the blockchain we were talking about? Every cryptocurrency transaction gets logged in an open source public record book that is visible to everyone, aka the blockchain. So no one can change the records, ever. Every transaction that has ever been recorded, that's ever occurred, can be reviewed and validated.
Blockchains have unleashed a global liquid market of digital assets. But there's an even larger market waiting to be let loose. The $250 trillion worth of real-world assets, including real estate, small businesses, commodities, and more. Assets that have never been traded on a global exchange until now. Meet Trust Token. The Trust Token platform enables any asset to be tokenized and traded on a global liquid exchange. Here's how you create tokens for an asset. Take something that you want to tokenize, a business, intellectual property, or rental property, and put it in a smart trust, an improved version of the legal trust traditionally used for wealth and asset management. The trust appoints beneficial ownership of the asset to a smart contract on a blockchain, and just like that, you can distribute the smart trust tokens which correspond to beneficial ownership of the asset. This whole process is called tokenization. Every token created can also be sold and traded globally. So investors can buy 1% of a rental property in Paris, 2% of a local cafe they like, and 3% of their favorite song. If these assets earn revenue or grow in value, they make money for their token holders, who may have voting rights in the asset's governance depending on the smart contract's terms. If you buy tokenized assets, you can have confidence because the assets are managed by a distributed network of professional fiduciaries that are already trusted with billions of dollars of assets. And our new token, Trust Token, is used to pay fiduciaries and stake on tokenized assets. Smart trusts have been developed in collaboration with the top trust law attorneys in the world to legally enforce trustworthy asset management. That's why people already use smart trusts to tokenize all kinds of different assets. The Trust Token platform democratizes investment. It lets a small business owner in India get access to the same global pool of investors that billion-dollar corporations get today. And it lets everyone access investment opportunities previously unavailable to even the largest investment firms. Trust Token brings the power of blockchains to the $250 trillion worth of real-world assets, enabling them to be traded on a global liquid exchange for the first time. Trust Token. Tokenization you can trust.
An estimated 1 billion people will invest in crypto over the next year. Whether you're a new investor, a margin trader, or a sex trader looking to experiment with DeFi, you want easy access to the market. But to enter new markets, you have to register on multiple applications, master a confusing array of sexes and dexes, and on top of that, bear the cost of transferring funds to multiple exchanges. Is there a way out of this complex investment labyrinth? Introducing Eterna Hybrid Exchange, the first platform that brings together centralized and decentralized trading, including access to PCS and Uniswap. It's the only exchange you'll ever need. By enabling margin trading of crypto, stocks, forex, and a host of other assets, Eterna empowers you to leverage your trades, limit your risk, and make off like a bandit. But it doesn't end there. With Eterna banking services, you can open a bank account, transfer funds anywhere, and access the entire world of investment, all from a single platform. From cutting-edge trading to modern banking, the solution is elementary. Eterna Hybrid Exchange, the future of crypto investing. Register now to begin your journey.
The 21st century needs a truly digital payment network that is fast, secure, and cheap while being mobile and frictionless. But the current payment networks are centralized and support limited currencies. Visa and MasterCard are complex with many intermediaries, which makes them expensive to use for merchants and consumers. Although crypto is the future, and by nature are digital, their use for payments is slow and expensive. And the widespread adoption to pay for everyday living has not been viable until now. Introducing Flexa, the first truly decentralized collateral network, allowing for any digital asset to be transferred instantly, securely, and at a low cost. Instant clearing of any digital asset to any fiat or other digital asset is now made possible by the Flexa Network's collateral pools via its native cryptocurrency token, AMP. AMP tokens are used to stake in collateral pools that provide intermediary liquidity for transactions, secure the network, and guarantee funds to merchants until a transaction has reached settlement on the blockchain. Every transaction incurs a low fee of less than 1%, used by Flexa to buy AMP tokens directly from exchanges, which are then distributed to users staking AMP in the collateral pools as a reward for network participation. In the background, Flexa's network layer takes care of everything like conversion and final settlement, and since the Flexa network is chain agnostic, any digital asset can be added. For merchants, this means a significant cost reduction, no fraudulent transactions, and an instant settlement in the desired currency. And the best part is that Flexa payments can be easily integrated into any existing point of sales without purchasing or changing hardware through the various partnerships they have with POS hardware companies. Being a decentralized network, Flexa's collateral solution can be offered to more than just payments. Anyone can build applications on top of the Flexa network through the open source SDK, opening an endless range of opportunities. And this is just the beginning. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Flexa.
Finding the next profitable trade is hard. Due diligence is time-consuming. Tokens and NFT projects with heavy marketing tell you when to enter, but never signal when to exit until it's too late. This is why we created Nansen, an on-chain data analytics platform that analyzes and labels over 100 million blockchain wallets and their activities, so you can separate the signal from the noise. Whales, large funds, profitable traders, and contracts are neatly labeled and displayed on our dashboards. Our Smart Alerts feature notifies you when an entity buys, sells, mints, or transfers tokens and NFTs. We make it easy to discover opportunities, perform due diligence, and defend your positions with real-time Smart Alerts. Nansen also offers cross-chain analytics with Ethereum, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and Solana on our radar. Join Nansen to follow the smart money and participate in the future of finance.
As the world struggles to understand DeFi and crypto, NFTs are going mainstream as they break records in both price and volume. The reason is simple: buying NFTs can be as profitable as it is fun. But holding on to these assets means weathering wild price volatility, all while realizing that your net worth is tied up in precious virtual assets. Imagine you could unlock the value of your NFTs without selling a single piece in your collection. That's precisely what Vinci Protocol delivers. Vinci is the first NFT-backed liquidity and derivatives market to liberate the liquidity locked in these assets while enabling traders to hedge against their volatility. By creating a permissionless NFT back-end lending market with on-chain assets as the collateral, Vinci gives holders easy access to liquidity that would otherwise be out of reach. Our protocol delivers an NFT-backed derivatives DEX that will empower holders with the ability to trade with and hedge against the volatility of their assets. Our next-gen DEX will integrate EVM and WebAssembly contracts to deliver a sublime trading experience with maximum throughput, high efficiency, and ultra-low latency. Without a centralized party manipulating the market and interfering with your funds, you can now hold your NFTs and profit from them too. Vinci Protocol, DeFiing NFTs.
You know we're all one big community, right? We play. We score. We compete. Whatever we do it together. We are path breakers, game changers. We chase our dreams and go beyond them. And that's why we built Ultra, the next generation gaming platform powered by blockchain. Within it, you'll find the unique marketplace that houses digital assets called Uniques. With the touch of a button, you can finally take on the Ultraverse. Here you have a variety of exclusive uniques to choose from. The easiest blockchain account creation process, seamless and advanced interactions, all with zero added blockchain fees. Say what? In the Ultraverse, you won't ever need to compromise on quality. Get the most exclusive uniques, enjoy instant transactions, unlock mind-blowing perks and rewards, yep, just like that, and find them all secure in your inventory. All it takes is just one click, and boom, welcome to Ultraverse, your first taste of true freedom.
Ever tried to do something with Bitcoin that wasn't trade or transfer? Sooner or later, you hit a ceiling. You ask yourself, where are all the apps? And you realize what's missing is space for innovation. Explore decentralized finance on the cryptocurrency that started it all, Bitcoin itself. East Blue is a universal application layer for Bitcoin. On East Blue, Bitcoin is like a precious metal. It conducts value, and with a little bit of vision, it can expand, transform, and even catch people's attention. Utility is the key word that will onboard billions. Bitcoin used to be a simple store of value. Now it sparks unbounded innovation. East Blue has everything you need to build groundbreaking applications on Bitcoin. Lending and trading, ordinals, DeFi, auctions, digital artifacts, and collectibles. Whichever you choose, you'll experience cheaper, faster transactions and deeper decentralization than ever before. Pioneering the Account Vault model, AVM, East Blue connects idle capital with the freedom of opportunity. Billions in untapped Bitcoin liquidity, free at last. And there are still other blockchains to conquer. Head over to eastblue.io to learn more.
To date, cryptocurrency's widespread application was restrained by difficulties in the use, numbers of brokers with high commissions, and low level of security. Photon is a decentralized ecosystem of crypto banking that ultimately makes crypto usage free of dumb, outdated limitations. Licensed Photon Crypto Bank removes all restrictions of cryptocurrency use, giving customers the full spectrum of conventional banking services. Decentralized Crypto Exchange provides immediate conversion of cryptocurrencies without any brokers, while keeping all the money in customers' wallets. All Photon services are based on our own light blockchain technology with closed light secure part. This is a versatile ecosystem designed for developing new revolutionary services around the globe, all in one dream solution, packed for the needs of up-to-date businesses. User experience completely rethought with the aim of cryptocurrency's usage, ambiguity, and ease. Discover the power of Photon ecosystem through our web and mobile app, brand new technologies, and an accustomed interface. The world's first decentralized crypto bank of the future.
Would you like to have a similar video? Visit our website for more information.
At Federal Money, our vision is to empower people to build a global, decentralized monetary system. The DeFi industry is currently restricted to $75 billion, while there exists a market opportunity of $43 trillion to be tapped. At Federal, we are rightly aligned to address these industry problems of volatility, collateralization, adoption, and interoperability. We built a global, people-powered central bank with global currencies, distributed by retail banking nodes owned and managed by individuals. Our first global multi-lever algorithmic stablecoin infrastructure will unify the global currency system and solve the problem of volatility. Eliminating the collateralization barrier is our machine proof of credit feature that gives the community an ability to borrow without depositing collaterals in the protocol. This is powered by the Universal Credit Score, which represents the global creditworthiness of a borrower. Our algorithmic edge computing banking nodes are powered by the Federal Community. All Federal Community nodes are owned by individuals who act as algorithmic local crypto banks that facilitate community engagement, ownership of the network, and decentralized growth of transactions. Our interoperability feature offers seamless transactional capability across networks and across currencies. With on-demand privacy, Federal addresses the challenge of wallet security, surveillance risks, and privacy threats. At Federal, we envision the future of the monetary system to be one, unified and global, creating innumerable opportunities for wealth creation for our decentralized community managers. Visit federal.money to explore our game-changing initiatives in decentralized finance.
Hey, do you know that if you want to stand out in the crypto world, you can't pussyfoot hide? On the contrary, you'll need lots of publicity to make it big. Build a community, network, write articles, communicate, record videos, share the latest news globally. That's why we created Floix, a site for cryptocurrency business professionals. If you kick off as an ICO, we'll help you develop your project. Post all the necessary information on your profile and collect funds to launch your currency. Benefit from additional advertising options and show yourself to the world. With Floix, you'll save on profitless promotions as you reach investors who are interested in cryptocurrencies directly. If you're already in the game, we provide you with the most comprehensive tool for managing your business. Build your profile and manage everything from one place. Join the group of professionals in the world of cryptocurrencies. Communicate with the community. Add short posts and graphics for fast communication. Run a calendar, organize events, invite investors, and follow other members' events. Share your expertise and the latest information about your company in the form of articles, add videos, and live streaming sessions. Enable your community to have an insight into the stock exchanges you're listed on, current rates, charts, prices, and value fluctuations. By using the site, not only do you join a community of professionals and take on convenience and functionality, above all, you choose safety and security. To grant you a full access to the site, we first verify your profile. This way, we get rid of scammers, spammers, and fake news sharing. What makes us different? We are one instead of many.